Hey, I'm Vanessa Joy, and we are going to do, in this little dungeon, a studio shoot with 3 different styles. You're gonna love this setup, so just come take a look. So what we're doing here, my husband is actually shooting a reality show, and they're having a dinner here at Ember in Austin. It's a super cool area. We're down here in the basement, and we're setting up a photo shoot. I just dreamed this up, knew I wanted to do this for this reality show. Check out The Hair Cult, that's who we're filming for. It's not picked up by a network. It is more of a marketing reality show for Culture ATX, which is a hair salon that I go to for Natalie, who is the owner, moved from LA to Austin and started a business here. It's really cool, so you can check out that reality show. I got a link for you down in the description. What I have planned, I have the Manfrotto Hilite, which if you've never seen this before, it is a backdrop that wraps up as small as a reflector and you light it from within. So it is a 3D backdrop that you stick strobes on either side to light it. So I'm gonna be able to do a high key shot of the main character in this reality show.
Oh my gosh,
you look so good. So good to see you.
You too. You look amazing.
Hey. I like that one.
Yeah, I was gonna say I like these two.
Ooh, those are nice.
But of course, I can't stop at strobes and just creating a white backdrop. I am also putting in the highlight a Rotolight AEOS 2. And what this is going to do, it's going to allow me to change the color of the background through the Rotolight app right on my phone. I'm actually gonna throw a direct flash because direct flash is all the vibe right now. So I'll end up with like a really saturated, trendy looking photo. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna we're going to use the environment here to create a group photo, kind of like, Kardashian style. I was gonna say Kim Kardashian, but the family photos that they all have, these like super sexy photos. And we're using that highlight backdrop because it's illuminated as a fill light, and then turn my umbrella, which is my main fill strobe, to light the group. And then one more thing, we're not just photographing people, but we have a mixologist here, and that mixologist is gonna create some really cool drinks. So I thought it would be fun to kind of have a little bit of a photo shoot for those drinks, like really fun hands-in vibes, maybe with people, maybe without, maybe just like a hand in a drink against like a really cool, bright colored backdrop, maybe with a direct flash. I don't know. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, so we had to come out here because Evoto does need an internet connection to work, so we're hotspotting my phone. But this thing is so good. With one click, I'm gonna completely retouch this. I'm using the high-end retouch because it's just the most retouch and it kind of looks amazing. I am gonna add a little bit of face shaping because you can. And you might as well use Evoto like to the max. But the best part about this is once I hit one, I can hit all and sync, and it's going to sync every single photo, every single person. So in me trying to spit out that one sentence, it was already done. So that's it. Now we have a ton of gorgeous, beautifully retouched photos. We can do body reshaping if we want to. I don't, for the record, but you could. They just call it reshaping. Small head, slim waist. It's like ridiculous. Slim legs. You can do anything that you want. And probably shouldn't, honestly. Let's just say that. It's just crazy. So pretty. So that's it. I'm gonna be able to show them these photos right away, completely retouched and looking incredible. All right, cool. Anyway, that's it. We are totally done, and we're ready to wrap. So that's it. Let me know what you think of this shoot. I know I had a lot of fun doing it, a lot of fun troubleshooting, having some happy surprises to create a group photo. And do you mind turning that back down?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. That works. A little less, maybe. That only happens when you're doing intros. Only. Photographing absolutely gorgeous people and, you know, some mixology in there. We really did a lot in a small space in a short amount of time. And yes, I am using some killer equipment. The Manfrotto Hilite I've got there, of course, the tether table so we can see everything. And also check out Evoto. Evoto is such a killer software. It's what made the final photos happen, but also happen really quickly. Being able to bulk retouch is just insanity. I mean, absolute insanity that I can do that and deliver the photos right away to the clients, make them extremely happy. But let me know what you think of this setup and all the photos that we took. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. Check out all the links for everything that we used in today's video down in the description. And I'll see you next time, hopefully with a full voice, because I've had laryngitis for a month and I sound like a smoker. Bye.